Another advantage of baking soda is garbage disposal orders. It happens every once in a while that something gets put down the garbage disposal that creates a nasty smell. In this case, the use of baking soda is beneficial for approximately 1 minute. Run hot water through the garbage disposal. After that, throw in 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda into the drain and run the disposal off for 2 seconds to clear the debris. When you add 1 cup of vinegar, the bubbles will begin to appear the minutes of 10 minutes to appear 10 minutes after you start. Finish with a glass of water and you will be good to go. Likewise, you can clear disposal orders also with baking soda.